Hi guys, right here ipapakita ko kung paano mag-transfer or send money from the BDO online app. Let's log in sa BDO online. And then go to send money. Ayan, meron tayong iba-ibang options. First one is own account. Click this if you want to send sa sarili mong enrolled BDO account. Input kung saan nyo isa-send yung account, the amount, and from what account. Pwede nyo din lagyan ng notes, which is optional. And you can also schedule your transfer kung now or on a later date. Let's try to set one up. Select a date, for example, May 1. Then, let's select our account. Type in the amount. Tapos, what account will we send it to? Right? So, since BDO to BDO ito, this is free. And then, just click send. And then, schedule. Okay. You can save the proof of transfer and then balik tayo. Skip muna natin tong to any BDO account. Dito tayo sa other banks and wallets. Okay? So you can send it to any bank or e-wallet. Ayan, dito tayo pipili. Type in the account number, the account name, or if existing na sa favorites mo, yung bank or e-wallet, pwede mo siyang iselect dito. Enter the amount, the account from, kung saan manggagaling yung isasend mo, and then again, optional ang notes. And then click send. Balik ulit tayo. View scheduled. So, dito natin makikita yung mga na-schedule nating transactions. As you can see, this is what we scheduled kanina. Ayan, 100 pesos. Move to one of my other accounts. Pero i-cancel natin yan. I just showed you for demonstration purposes. Next is to any BDO account. So, dito tayo mag-example talaga. Send to the account name, which is optional, account number, or if existing na yung padadalhan mo na account sa favorites, you can click this. In my case, na-add ko na siya sa favorites, so let's just click that. Enter the amount, and then select from what account. Okay? Again, pwede ka maglagay ng notes. Click send, double check, and then confirm. Okay? Ayan. Our money has been sent. This is the proof of transfer. Save the image again. And real time, makikita nyo dito yung record na na-transfer yung pera natin. I hope you guys learned something on this video. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Thanks guys. Bye!